My dear children, how are you? I hope you are fine. In the last session, we have discussed detailedly about HCF. Okay. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the LCM. What is mean by LCM? LCM means least common multiple. What is mean by LCM? Least common multiple. We denote the least common multiple as capital L dot C dot M. You have to use only the capital letters L, C and M for denoting LCM. That is L dot C dot M. It means LCM. Okay. How can you find the HCF? By factorizing. That is by factorizing the given numbers. We can find the factors and then multiplying the common factor once we get the HCF. Okay. Similarly, we are also going to find the LCM. Okay. Before that, let us understand what is mean by LCM. Okay. In both the case HCF or LCM, we can able to find minimum two numbers. That is, we can able to find HCF or LCF. We need minimum two numbers. Okay. We can take more than two numbers also. Let us take two numbers. They are 2 and 3. Okay. What is mean by LCM? I have told least common multiple. First here we have written multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, etc. These are the multiples of 2. Similarly, we have written multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30 like that. These are the multiples of 3 was going on. Okay. Now listen carefully children. Now my question is, what are the common multiples of 2 and 3? What are the common multiples of 2 and 3? See here, 6 is the multiple of 2. At the same time, 6 is the multiple of 3 also. Similarly, 12 is the multiple of 2. At the same time, 12 is the multiple of 3 also. Similarly, 18, it is also a multiple of 2. 18, it is also a multiple of 3. Similarly, we can find plenty of common multiples of 2 and 3. So, let us write what are the common multiples? 6, 12, 18, like that it was going on. Okay. Among these common multiples of 2 and 3, among the common multiples of 2 and 3, which is the least one? That is, which is the smallest one? Among the common multiples of, these are the common multiples of 2 and 3. Okay, these are the common multiples of 2 and 3. Among these common multiple, it was going on. Which is the smallest one? Which is the least one? 6. So 6 is the least common multiple of 2 and 3. So we can say LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Do you understand children? Among the common multiples, which is the least number? Which is the smallest number? That number is said to be LCM, that is least common multiple of given number. Okay, this is the way you have to understand the concept of LCM. Now, this is the way you have to find the LCM of given number. How can you find the LCM of given two numbers? To find the LCM of given two numbers or more than two numbers, we are going to use the prime factorization. While in the case of HCF, we are prime factorizing the given number individually. But in the case of LCM, you have to prime factorize the given number simultaneously. Simultaneously means at the same time you have to prime factorize the given numbers. Okay. What is mean by prime factorization? You have to find the factors, that is prime factors of given numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. It was going on. So, your divisor should be among these prime numbers. Okay. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. So, what is the first condition is your divisor should be a prime number. Your divisor should be the prime number. This is the first condition. And what is the next condition is your divisor should divide at least one of the given two number. At least one of the given number. Your divisor should divide at least one of the given numbers. Okay, these are the two conditions you have to keep in your mind in the process of LCM. Okay, on one more condition, you have to choose your divisors from prime number only. Okay, first I am choosing the divisor as 2. Now I am checking whether the 12 is divisible by 2 or not. 12 is divisible by 2 because it is an even number. It ends with 2. What are the even number? How can you identify even number? If a number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we can say they are even numbers. All the even numbers are divisible by 2. So the 12 is divisible by 2. Okay. See the 15, it is not an even number, it is a odd number. So it is not divisible by 2. So I have chosen one divisor, it is 2, it divides one of the given number. Okay, so 2 is eligible for as a divisor. But I am also check the number 3, it may divide the given number. See 12, 4 3s are 12, it divides the 12. Similarly 3 divides the 15 also. So 2 is the divisor, it divides only the one of the given number. 3 is the divisor, it divides both the numbers. So I am choosing the number 3 first. So you can also choose the divisor 2 here. Both the method you get the same answer, children. So don't worry about it. Okay. So you can choose here 2 or 3. Both are correct. Okay. First I am choosing the divisor as 3 now. So here you have to write the divisor. Okay. Many times I have told here you have to write the times. Okay. What do you know? 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Here we are using 3 as the divisor. This is the answer. So you have to write here only the times. So 4 3s are 12. Similarly 15 how many times? 5 3s are 15. This is the answer. This is the divisor. Here you have to write only the times. So here you have to write the 5. Do you understand, children? How can you write? I will choose the divisor as 3 because it divides given 2 numbers. And dividing the 3 by 12 you get 4. And dividing the 15 by 3 you get the 5 as the answer. Next I have to choose a divisor. I am choosing now 2 because 2 divides the 4 but 2 did not divide the 5 because it is a prime number. All the prime numbers are divided by itself only. So I am choosing the number divisor 2 here. Okay. So how many times 4 into table? 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. So here listen carefully, children. This is the important point. Here what you have to do with 5? You just write the 5 as it is. Okay. This is the important place. Listen carefully. Here you just write the 5 as it is. So write the 5 as it is. Because 5 cannot be divisible by 2. So you have to write the 5 as it is. It's clear, children? Okay. Next see, children. Up to this step your book they have stopped. But you have to proceed like this. Okay, then only it gives a better result to you. So listen carefully. We get the two numbers 2 and 5, but both are prime numbers. So we know already all the prime numbers are divided by itself only. So now I am choosing the divisor as 2 because this divisor divides the 2 here. So it divides the one of the given number. So I am choosing the divisor as 2. So 1 2 is 2. But 5 is cannot divided by 2. So you have to write the 5 as it is. Now in the next step, now I am choosing the divisor as 5. So 5. You have to write the 1 as it is. 1, comma. How many times 5? 1 5 is 5. So 1 5 is 5. So up to this you have to stop. Do you understand, children? The given numbers are 12 and 15. First you have to choose the divisor. The divisor should be a prime numbers, and also the divisor should divide at least one of the given numbers. It may also divide the given all the numbers. Whether the given number is 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Your divisor should divide all the 3 numbers, but basically you should at least divide at least one of the given number. Okay. First I am choosing the 3, I get 4 and 5. Next I am choosing the divisor as 2, I get 2, comma 5. And then I am choosing 2, I get also 1, 5. And then 5. I am getting the answer 1, 1. So after this you have to stop. Next we are going to find the LCM of given number. How can we find the LCM? So LCM equal to, you have to product this number. Product this number. What are the numbers? 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. So how can you multiply? Write 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. So forget the 0. 3 2s are 6. So 16. Add the 0. So LCM of 12 and 15 is 3 into 20, 60. Thus we have found out the LCM of 12 and 15 as 60. It means among the common multiples of 12 and 15, 60 is the least common multiple. We understand children? Among the multiples of 12 and 15, 60 is the least common multiple. See here, 6 is the least common multiple of 2 and 3. That is LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Similarly, LCM of 12 and 15 is 60. Okay. Next you see the second sum. 6, 12, 18. We are going to find the LCM of this number. First I have to choose a divisor from prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 like that because going on. First I am choosing the number 2. Check whether the number 2 divide the 3 numbers. 6 even number, 12 even number, 18 even number. So all the numbers are divisible by 2. So I am choosing the divisor as 2. Okay. So how many times 6? 3 times. So 3 2s are 6. This is table, this is answer. You have to write only the times here. Similarly, for how many times? 6 times. 6 2s are 12. You have to write only the times. So write 6. Similarly, 9 2s are 18. So, okay. Next, we have to choose the another divisor. See here, 3, 6, 9. All are divisible by 3. So, we have to choose the divisor as 3. 3 how many times? 1 times. 6 how many times in 3 table? 2 times. 9 3 times. Thus we have divided the 3, 6, 9 by 3. See here, 2, 3 are prime numbers. So it should be divided by itself only. First I am choosing the divisor as 2. Listen carefully. In this case, you have to write the 1 as this. 2 how many times? 1 time. Similarly, you have to write the 3 as it is because it is a prime number. It should be divided by itself only. So write the 3 as it is. It's clear? Now I am choosing the divisor as 3. So write the 1 as it is. Write the 1 as it is. 3 how many times? 1 time. So up to you get the 1, you have to proceed the steps. Thus we have arrived 3 ones for 3 numbers. So up to this you have to stop. Now we are going to find the LCM of 6, 12, 18. That is, we are going to find the least common multiples of 6, 12 and 18. For that, you have to multiply the prime factors. What are the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 times 2, 2 times 3. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 4s are 36. Thus, among the common multiples of 6, 12, 18, 36 is the least common multiple. Okay, next see the third question. 5, 10, 25. Now we are going to find the LCM for this number. See, 5, 10, 25. 5 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 5 only. 10 ends with 0. 25 ends with 5. So if a number is ends with 0 or 5, it is divisible by 5. So all the numbers are divisible by 5. So you have to choose the divisor as 5. So write the divisor as 5. 5 how many times? 1 times. 10 how many times? 2 5s are 10. This is the answer. This is the table. You have to write only the times. 2 5s are 10. Similarly, 5 5s are 25. This is the answer. This is the table. You have to write only the times. So 5 5s are 25. Observe the answer. 1 2 5. 2 1 5 are prime numbers. So you have to divide them by itself only. So first I am choosing the divisor as 2. So write the 1 as it is. 1 comma 1 2 is 2. Write the 5 as it is. 5. Now you have to divide it by 5. So 5, 1 comma 5 how many times? 1 time. So up to this you have to proceed. Now we have already 3 ones for 3 numbers. So you have to stop up to this. Now we are going to find the LCM of given 3 numbers. How can you find? By product in the prime factors. What are the prime numbers? While you are writing the factors, follow the ascending order. Okay, first write the small numbers and then the big number. So 5 2s are 10 into 5. 5 10s are 50. Okay, it means LCM of 5, 10, 25 is 50. It means among the multiples of among the common multiples of 5, 10 and 25, 50 is the least common multiple. Do you understand? See the next sum. 12, 20, 36. LCM is a very important concept, children. It should come in your higher studies also. So listen carefully. 12, 20, 30. See, all the numbers are even numbers. So you can easily choose the divisor as 2. Okay. 12 how many times? 6 times. 6 2s are 12. 20. 1 2 is 2. Bring down the 0. 10. Okay. Similarly, 36. First you have to choose the first number 3. How many times? 1 2 is 2. Subtracting the 2 from 3, remainder is 1. Write like this. 1 plus 1 is 6. 16. 16 how many times? 8 times. Thus 18. See, again we are getting the even number. 6, 10, 18 all are even numbers. So again we can choose the divisor as 2. Do you understand, children? It's there? Right. 6 how many times? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. 10 how many times? 5 times. 5 2s are 10. 18 how many times? 9 times. 9 2s are 18. Do you understand, children? We have get 3 numbers. 3, 5, 19. 3, 5, 9. Among these 3 numbers, 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. So you can choose the divisor as 3 first. Okay? 3, 1, 3 is 3. 5 is a prime number, so write the 5 as it is. Next, 9 how many times in 3 table? 3 times. So 3 3s are 9. Do you understand, children? 1 3 is 3. Write the 5 as it is. 3 3s are 9. It's clear? Thus we got 3 numbers 1, 5 and 3. 5 and 3 are prime numbers, so we can divide it by itself only. First I am choosing 3 as a divisor. Write the 1 as it is. Write the 5 as it is. 1 3 is 3. Again you have to choose the divisor as 5. So 1 write the 1 as this, 1 5 is by 1. So up to this you have to stop. Now we are going to find the LCM of given 3 numbers. So LCM of 12, 20 and 36 are, you have to find this equal to, maybe say equals to 36 equal to, you have to product the prime factors. So 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 5. We understand, children? How many 2s? 2 2s, 2 3s and 1 5. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9 and then write 5. Multiply these two numbers. 5 4s are 20 into 9. We understand, children? 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Write the 5 as it is. Now I am multiplying the 5 with 4 because it ends with 0. Okay. That's why I am multiplying these two numbers. 4 5s are 20. Now you have to multiply with this. 9 2s are 18, add the 0, 180. Thus, LCM of 12, 20 and 36 is 180. Among the common multiples of 12, 20 and 36, 180 is the least common multiple. Okay. See the next sum, 84, 90, 252. See, all the numbers are even numbers. So you can choose the number 2 as a divisor. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. See here 9. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 1. So 1 with 0, 10. 1 with 0, 10. How many times? 5 times. 2 how many times? 1 time. 1 2 is 2. 5 here. So 2 2s are 4. If you subtract the 4 from 5, you get the remainder as 1. 1 with 2 can be read as 12. 12 how many times in 2 table? 6 times. So I have to write here 6. Do you understand, children? Dividing the 84, 90 and 252, we get the answer 42, 43 and 126. Among the given numbers, the two numbers 42 and 126 are even numbers. So it is divisible by 2. So we can choose the divisor again as 2. Okay, but the 2 did not divide the number 45 because it is a odd number. Okay, 42. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. We understand that 2 2s are 4, 1 3 is 2. 45 is not divisible by 2, so write the 45 as it is. So write the 45, comma 1 2. You have to take the first two digit 12. 12 how many times in 6 table? In 2 table 6 times. So 6 2s are 12 and 6 3 times. Thus we get the answer 21, 45 and 63. Check children, 21, 45, 63. All the three numbers are not even number. They are odd numbers. So we can't choose the number 2 as a divisor. Next we are going to check the prime number for 3. Whether the given numbers are divisible by 3 or not. See here 21. If you add 2 with 1, 3. So 21 is divisible by 3. 4, 5. That is 45. Add 4 with 5, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 45 is divisible by 3. Similarly 6 plus 3, 9. So it is also divisible by 3. Okay. So we can choose the divisor 3. Okay. So we are going to divide these three numbers by using the prime number 3 as a divisor. Okay. 21 comes in 3 table how many times? 7 times. Okay. 45. 1 3 is 3. Remainder is 1. You have to write the remainder like this. So 1 with 5, 15. 15 how many times? 5 times. 5 3s are 15. 6 how many times? 2 times. 1 3 is 3. Thus we got the number 7, 15 and 21. Listen children. 7, 15, 21. 15 and 21 are divisible by 3. Similarly, 7 and 21 are divisible by 7. So here we can choose two number as a divisor. One is 3, another one is 7. Okay, we can choose any number. Now I am choosing my divisor as 3. Okay, here we can also choose the divisor as 7 also. Okay, so now I am choosing the divisor as 3. 7 is not divisible by 3 because it is a prime number. 15 how many times? 5 times. 5 3s are 15. 21 how many times? 7 times. Thus we got the number 7 by 7. Now I am choosing the divisor as 7. 1 7 is 7. Write the 5 as it is because this is a prime number. 1 7 is 7. Now we are choosing the divisor as 5. Write the remaining one as this. 1 comma 1 5 is 5. 1 write as this. Thus we get the 3 ones for the given 3 numbers. Now we are going to find the LCM of these given numbers. So you have to write LCM of 84, 90 and 252 equal to, write the values in ascending order. First you have to write the 2 2s, 2 into 2. Next you have to write the 2 times 3. So 3 into 3. Next you have to write the 5 into 5 into 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Thus we have written all the numbers. Now we are going to multiply. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 3 3s are 9 into 5 into 7. Keep the number like this because 5 into 4. If you multiply the 4 with 5, you get the value 20 ends with 0. So 4 into 5, 20 into 9 into 7. Now multiply this value. Further the 0. 9 2s are 18. Add the zeros into 7. Now you have to multiply. 0. Further the 0. 7 8s are 56. Remember 5. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 12. Now add the 0. So your answer is 1260. Okay. Thus LCM of 84, 90 and 252 is 1260. It's clear children? Now we are going to find the relation between HCF and LCM. You know children what is HCF? Highest common factor. LCM means least common multiple. Now we are going to find what is the relation between HCF and LCM. For that, see here, product of any two numbers. You have to take only two numbers. Product that two numbers, it should be equal to product of their HCF and LCM. This is the important there. HCF and LCM means you are taking two numbers. You have to find the LCM of the two numbers and HCF of the two numbers, and then you have to product the two numbers. That answer should be equal to product of the two numbers. Okay, let us see the example. You can easily understand this relation. Okay, I am taking two numbers 9 and 15. Now we are going to check this relation. Okay, first I am going to find the HCF. How can you find the HCF of given number? By prime factorizing the given number. So 9, it should be divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again you have to divide the 3 by 3. So 1 time. So 15. It also divided by 3. 5 3s are 15. This is a prime number. So it is divided by 5. So 1. So now you are going to find the HCF of this number. So you have to write like this: 9 equal to 3 into 3, 15 equal to 3 into 5. What are the common factors? 3. This is the only common factor. So HCF of 9 and 15 equal to, for these 2, 3, you have to write the 3 only one time. We understand, children? So HCF of 9 and 15 equal to 3. Thus we have found out HCF equal to 3. Okay. Next we are going to found the LCM. How can you find the LCM? We can find the LCM by prime factorizing the given numbers simultaneously. Okay. 9 and 15. So both are divisible by 3. So we can use the table 3. So 9 comes in 3 table how many times? 3 times. 15 5 times. So we get the prime number. So it should be divided by itself only. Now I am using 3. 1 3 is 3 and write the 5 as it is. Again you can divide it by the prime number only. So use the 5. So 1 time 1 time. Now we are going to find the LCM of 9 and 15. So how can we find? By producting the prime number. So 3 into 3 into 5. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Thus we have already found out HCF as 3 and the LCM equal to 45. That is HCF of 9 and 15 is 3. LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. Okay. Now we are going to product the two numbers, that is LHS of the relation. Product of two numbers. What are the given numbers? We have taken 9 and 15. Now we are going to multiply this. 15 into 9. 9 5s are 45. Divided 4. 1 9 is 9. 9 plus 4 13. So 9 into 15 equal to 135. Next we are going to multiply or find the value of RHS. What is RHS? Product of their HCF and LCM. Which is what is the value of HCF? 3. What is the value of LCM? 45. Now we are going to product it. Product of their HCF and LCM equal to 3 into 45. 5 3s are 15. Remainder 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 35. Let it be the equation number 1 and it be the equation number 2. Thus from 1 and 2 what we have concluded? From the equation 1 we can say product of two numbers equal to 135. From equation 2 we can say product of their HCF and LCM equal to 135. So both the answers are same. So we can write product of two numbers is equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Okay. It may be asked in your 1 mark question. So keep this relation in your mind. Okay. So for children, in the chapter 3 playing with numbers, what are the concepts we have discussed? Multiples of a number, factors of a number, even number, odd numbers, prime number, composite numbers, divisibility test for 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 11 and also prime factorization. In the last section we have discussed the HCF. In today's class we have discussed the LCM and also the relation between HCF and LCM. Okay, write your class up neatly, do your homework sum correctly. Okay, thank you.